Ever wonder how you can earn money while you sleep or go on vacation? That's the magic of passive income. Imagine a revenue stream that flows into your bank account, with minimal ongoing effort on your part. That's the essence of passive income. It's money earned with little to no daily effort, making it a highly desirable financial strategy. For a busy college student, it could mean extra cash for textbooks. For a full-time employee, it could supplement a salary and make that dream vacation a reality. For a retiree, it could provide additional security and comfort during the golden years. Passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires upfront work and strategic planning. But once the foundation is laid, the rewards can be substantial and ongoing. So are you ready to explore an innovative way of generating passive income? Buckle up, because we're diving into the world of AI and online writing. You may ask, what does artificial intelligence have to do with passive income? Enter ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced language model powered by OpenAI. Imagine a computer program that can understand and generate human-like text. It's like having a digital assistant that can chat, answer questions, and even write articles for you. ChatGPT works by predicting the next word in a sentence. You give it a prompt, and it comes back with a complete thought, sentence, or even an entire article. It's trained on a diverse range of internet text, so it's capable of generating content in a variety of styles and tones. What's more, it can be a powerful tool in your passive income journey. Instead of spending hours brainstorming and writing, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas, outlines, and even full articles. With ChatGPT, you can generate content quickly and efficiently, but where to publish this content? That's where Medium comes in. Medium isn't just any writing platform, it's a place where your words can turn into cash. Imagine a digital space where writers, both seasoned and green, come together to share their thoughts, ideas, and narratives. That's Medium for you. It's not just a blogging site, it's a dynamic community of readers and writers. Now, here's the exciting part. Medium allows you to earn money from your articles. Yes, you heard it right. Your passion for writing can be a source of income. It's all about engaging content and a loyal readership. The more claps you receive, the more money you make. So it's not just about writing, it's about writing content that resonates with your audience, content that people want to read and share. Now that we have our AI tool and our platform, let's see how to combine them for maximum impact. Using an AI to write articles? It's not science fiction, it's reality with ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right. The AI revolution is here, and it's changing the game for content creation. Let's dive in to see how you can leverage ChatGPT for your Medium articles. Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps, tirelessly churning out ideas and outlines for your articles. That's exactly what ChatGPT can do for you. It uses machine learning to understand the context and generate creative, coherent content. You simply feed it a prompt, and it will give you a detailed outline or even a full article in return. But remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity. While ChatGPT can give you a solid foundation, you'll need to refine and polish the content. Check for coherence and consistency. Add your personal touch, your voice, your experiences. After all, it's your unique perspective that makes your content truly engaging. Now you might be thinking, how do I get started? Well, it's simple. Just visit the OpenAI website, sign up, and start experimenting. The more specific your prompt, the better the output. For example, instead of saying, write an article about dogs, try write an informative article about the benefits of adopting rescue dogs. And voila! You've got a well-structured draft to work on. One of the great things about ChatGPT is its versatility. You can use it for brainstorming, drafting, or even editing. Struggling with writer's block? Ask ChatGPT for ideas. Need an engaging opening? Let ChatGPT handle it. Want to rephrase a tricky sentence? ChatGPT to the rescue. In short, ChatGPT is like having a co-writer who's always ready to help. It can take a lot of the grunt work out of writing, leaving you with more time and energy for the fun parts. Crafting your message, connecting with your audience, and sharing your unique insights. So, are you ready to embrace the future of content creation? It's time to start exploring the possibilities with ChatGPT. Once you've created your content, the next step is to make it shine on Medium, and we'll dive into that in the next scene. Stay tuned! Not all Medium articles are created equal. Let's discuss how to stand out from the crowd. When it comes to Medium, the key to success lies in the mastery of headlines, structure, and formatting. Your headline is your first impression, the gateway to your content. Make it compelling, intriguing, and don't shy away from the power of a well-placed question mark. Next, let's talk structure. A well-structured article is like a well-organized house. It's easy to navigate, and you can find what you want without much effort. Begin with an engaging introduction, followed by a clear and concise body, and wrap it up with a compelling conclusion that leaves your readers satisfied yet wanting more. Finally, formatting. Break up long paragraphs, use bullet points for lists, and don't forget to include subheadings for easy scanning. Remember, online readers scan more than they read. Make their scanning journey a pleasant one. With a well-crafted article in hand, our next step is to optimize it for visibility. SEO isn't just for websites, it can also boost your Medium articles to the top. The secret lies in understanding how to optimize your content for search engines, and that's where ChatGPT, the language model AI, comes in. Harnessing the power of ChatGPT can aid you in generating high-quality, SEO-friendly content. It all starts with keyword research. Identify the keywords relevant to your article and let ChatGPT weave them naturally into your text. Remember, keyword stuffing is a thing of the past. Search engines now prioritize meaningful, context-rich content. Next, let's talk about title optimization. A well-crafted title is like a beacon to search engines and readers alike. Use ChatGPT to create engaging and SEO-friendly titles. It's like having a seasoned copywriter at your fingertips. And lastly, the importance of high-quality content cannot be overstated. ChatGPT can help you create content that is not just keyword optimized, but also engaging, informative, and reader-friendly. Now your article is ready to publish. But how do you turn those views into dollars? Medium isn't just a platform for sharing your thoughts, it's also a platform for earning passive income. Let's dive into the three main avenues for monetization on Medium: the Medium Partner Program, publications, and affiliate marketing. Firstly, the Medium Partner Program. It's a straightforward process. You write, people read, you earn. Once you enroll in this program, you earn money every time a Medium member reads your story. The amount you earn is proportional to the amount of time members spend reading your story. It's a win-win situation. The more engaging your content is, the more money you make. Next, we have publications. Publications on Medium are like digital magazines. They're collections of stories that revolve around a central theme or topic. By submitting your stories to publications, you can reach a wider audience. Some of these publications even pay writers for their submissions. So you have the potential to earn money not only through the partner program but also directly from publications. Lastly, we have affiliate marketing. This is a method where you promote a product or service in your articles and you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a great way to monetize your Medium articles, especially if you write about products or services that align with your niche. Keep in mind, these monetization options are not mutually exclusive. You can combine them for maximum earning potential. For instance, you could write an article about a product, include an affiliate link, publish it in a relevant publication, and earn from the Medium Partner Program as well. With these monetization strategies, you're well on your way to generating passive income. But don't just take our word for it. Success isn't just a dream. These individuals turned it into reality with ChatGPT and Medium. Let's take a look at a few shining examples. First, meet John. A part-time writer with a full-time job, he struggled to produce regular content for Medium. He turned to ChatGPT for assistance, using it to generate ideas and create engaging articles. Within 6 months, he saw a significant increase in his Medium earnings. Then there's Emma, an SEO specialist. She used ChatGPT to optimize her articles for search engines. The result? Her views skyrocketed, and so did her income from Medium's partner program. And let's not forget about Lisa, a non-native English speaker. She used ChatGPT to perfect her grammar and sentence structure. Her improved writing attracted a wider audience, leading to a substantial boost in her passive income. As you can see, passive income with ChatGPT and Medium isn't just possible, it's happening right now. So, are you ready to join them?